Have you ever wondered why are these wall plugs so different? Like one of them has these small wings right here on the side. The other one, yeah, it doesn't have wings, but it has some grooves, something. And the third one is completely flat. And like it makes you wonder, what variant do I need? What do I use for what I want to do? And in my case right here, I want to drill a simple hole on this concrete wall right here, but it's a small hole, just like this one right here that I have, because I want to hang this school schedule for my kid above her table, and it makes you wonder, like, it's a small hole, but it's a concrete wall. Which plug is going to do that job the best? Let's check it out. Plug number one has a very straight body, as you can see, but it also has these side wings that will prevent spinning, and it also has these expansion zones along the body. This plug is made for solid materials because when you drill a screw into it, this backside will expand and it will bite into the wall. All of these side wings right here will bite into the wall, and also expansion zone right here will expand and it will bite into the wall. This plug is basically best for bricks, concrete, stone and solid block. Plug number two has these diagonal twist lines, and these lines make it twist and knot inside a hollow walls. It also has these wings and they help lock this plug inside the wall, and basically this plug gives you a way more holding power inside any tricky material. So if you don't know what wall you are working with, this plug is your safest choice. And for the plug number three, yeah, this looks like a baby comparing to this one before, but this is a very simple but also it has a very specific job. This plug is made from a soft plastic that squeezes itself into a crumble materials like old plaster or weak bricks, some places where hard plugs would just spin. And this plug is basically only for lightweight loads, but it saves you when the wall is too soft for anything else. So if the wall is too soft for this kind of plug, then this will be your choice. So for my case, for a concrete wall, this plug is my safest choice, although I could go with the plug number one also, because it's gonna be holding like this. It's like 100 grams, but I like to be safe because who knows for what I'm gonna use this screw tomorrow. But this one is pretty large one, because this one is like diameter 8 and I need to take a drill bit diameter 8 to drill. I would rather use a smaller one. You can always make that hole bigger later, but it's very hard to make that hole smaller if you need it smaller for some reason. So first try it with a smaller diameter of a drill. I will go with, this is I think 6. I will drill it with 6 and we will see what happens. Here's another tip for you. If you are not sure what size of drill bit to use, just take a plug that you want to use, take your drill bit and compare it one against the other, just like this. Compare it right here, and as you can see, yeah, this plug is a little bit bigger on the sides than this drill bit. This drill bit is a little bit small. I need to use a bigger one. I think this one will fit perfectly. So take your wall plug, take your drill bit and just compare it like this, and there you go. You see how it's even on the sides here with this plug. So this means that this drill bit is for this plug. Another tip that I have for you is to use a duct tape and just place it under the hole that you want to drill, just like this, and make it open like this one, because this will make all that debris from a concrete wall fall right into this pocket right here, and it won't spill all over your room. Now, because this is a concrete wall, you should set your drill to a hammer function, of course. And just take a look How nice and dandy all that debris is right there in that duct tape. Beautiful. Now this is basically it. I will finish up removing this, but be very careful when you remove this. You don't want to spill this all over the place. I will try to pick everything in my hand. Almost there, almost there. Nice. Okay. Beautiful. Now sometimes we will make these holes in a concrete wall, especially where we don't need them and later we would regret making them. So if you have any holes that you need to fill up in a concrete wall, make sure to check this video right here. I will show you some very unique ways of how to fill a hole in a concrete wall. So make sure to check it out. Thank you guys for watching this video with me, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!